To connect MoonPay to Phantom Wallet and purchase cryptocurrencies directly within your wallet, follow these steps. Open Phantom Wallet. Launch the Phantom Wallet app or browser extension on your device. Ensure your wallet is properly set up and you have backed up your recovery phrase. Navigate to the Buy section. In your Phantom Wallet, click on the Buy button, which is usually located at the top of the wallet interface. This will open the available purchase options. Select MoonPay. From the available list of payment providers, choose MoonPay. MoonPay allows you to buy cryptocurrencies like USDT, SOL, or other tokens directly. Choose your cryptocurrency. Once you select MoonPay, you'll be prompted to choose which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Link payment method. You will need to link your payment method such as a debit or credit card or bank transfer. Enter your payment details and proceed. Complete KYC verification. If prompted, complete the KYC verification by providing your ID and selfie. Confirm the transaction. After verification, confirm your purchase. The crypto will be sent to your Phantom Wallet after payment.